In the other topics, we'll be learning about the Stone Age. So, first topic which we'll be learning about is Paleolithic Age. This age was known as the hunting and food gathering stage. Means it is very important. It may be asked which age is known as the hunting and food gathering stage. This was the longest part of prehistory, as I already said in prehistory that hunting and gathering of food started because people did not have food to eat. That's why it lasted from 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BC approximately. So I said 5 lakh BC is small, but 10,000 BC is big. I have explained you the terms BC and ED in my previous video, so you can look into it. Part 2, where I have explained this thing. Men, women, and children wandered in groups and hunted animals. They ate raw fruit. They also gathered food, roots and honey because they did not know how to grow crops. Here it is said that men, children, and women, you can say a family, used to make groups and go from one place to another to hunt animals because they ate raw fruits. They gathered fruits, roots, and honey since they did not know how to cook or how to grow crops. They were food gatherers and hunters. They moved from one place to another in search of food and water and lived in rock shelters, caves, and on trees. Since they moved from one place to another in search of food, water, and crops, so they lived in rock shelters, caves, and trees. They did not have permanent settlement, as I have already said you. They made rough stone weapons to kill animals. Life was indeed difficult for them. The major two achievements of this period were making tools and discovery of fire. Here it is said that they used to make stones to kill animals because when they hunt it is very difficult. If any animal comes to attack them, what will they do? So they used to make stone weapons, and life is very difficult for them to survive. If we are given a life like this, we will say we are not going to do this, we are not going to do that, if I am not wrong. And the major two achievement of this period is making tools and discovery of fire. Remember, the question may come, Paleolithic age. Name the two major achievements of this period. Then you have to write making tools and discovery of fire is the main achievements of this period. I have said you the major two achievements of Paleolithic age is making tools and discovery of fire. So we will be reading this in little bit in description form. So first let us read of tools. Flint was used by early men to make tools. Flint is the name of a tool that they used to make. What is flint, you may be asking me? It is a special type of stone. As I have stated, you means men when they use for hunting, means go for hunting, they use to make stone weapons to protect themselves. That is only known as flint. Doing hunting during this stage would have been difficult because many animals were stronger than men. We also know if we go near a lion, it is not possible for us to come back safe because lion is more powerful than us. And if we go near a cockroach, we know we will come back safe. We will only kill them. So they devised tools because they were not much stronger than them. They found stones and shaped into hand axes. These were probably used for hunting, digging, and cutting. They made scrapers and knives with blades of sharp stones to remove flesh from animal skins. So here it is said that they found stones in the when they used to go for hunting, they used to hunt fruits, but they used to hunt stones also because they used to make hand axes for them, and this could be used for hunting, digging, and cutting. They also made scrapers and knives with blades of sharp stones to remove flesh from animal skin. A special type of stone called flint was used. As I have said you, flint is a stone. And Animal bones and other stones were also used to make sharp tools. These tools have been found in many places such as Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Mijapur in Uttar Pradesh, and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Here it is said that animal bones and other stones were also means used for making sharp tools, because if you don't get sharp tools for some things, for some hunting, you will require some sharp tools to take that. So this where these things were means found, they were found in Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. So the next topic which I will be discussing is fire. Fire was discovered during this period. Perhaps they rubbed two stones and spark produced, lighted a few dry leaves lying nearby. In here it is said they used to rub two stones together to produce fire, means spark of fire, not fire, spark of fire. They used to light in a few dry leaves which used to light means nearby them. It could also have been a forest fire or a volcanic eruption that gave them access to fire. Means they have said it may be forest fire or volcanic eruption that gave access to fire. They might have enjoyed the cooked meat of the dead animals, so probably they looked for a different way to make fire. Since they used to means like the cooked meat of dead animals, I know most people like this, so they think that if it is very difficult to cook this, so let us think for other way to make fire. Fire also kept them warm during winter months. It gave them light at night. Animals could also have been scared off with fire torches. Means here it is saying if animal used to pass with seeing that there is a fire, they used to pass away, otherwise they used to cook them. And it used fire used to keep them warm during winter months, and they used to get light at night.